then they take care of these people. Upon there is no much fun. People are here talking rubbish. This land of also and cannot hide.
Okay.
That is saying that these people have driven Nigeria without manpower. They have hired a good number of Nigerian military, and therefore they have no military personnel again. That is what Musa said. And now they give them 4 months. 4 months gap is for recruitment of another soldiers. And now your madam this year is giving them more 2 months. That is complete 6 months of mandatory Nigerian soldiers training. They go 6 months. So your madam knows what she is doing. She is funding Nigeria. You know, militarily, if you have not been on the ground, if you have not been on the ground, you wouldn't see these things that we are saying. You can only bank on the nonsense that she is telling you. But we that have been on the ground, that understand the antics of this fight, we know the blackmail when we see it. Musa used to cry, man, before that. And now, the 4 months gap of non-acting, and last time that you had from them, the last time that you had them speaking, you see Musa saying that these people have seized airways, these people have hired their soldiers, these people are making Nigeria making Nigeria to lose manpower. They are weakening Nigeria. Musa made all those.
Armstrong is asking his remedies on ground.
Without your help, these people would have divided this country, which means you have weakened their army militarily, equipment, and otherwise. And you now give them 6 months, and 6 months for recruitment to review, so that you start afresh again. What big Sabo is past that one? Which Sabo past that one? And all of you supporting her, making comments here. Supporting her, making comments here. All of you are Sabo. Thank God no monarchy. Who said all monarchy? So thank God on July all monarchy. And in this one, every woman support also. I have started my run. And
okay.
You are welcome, my brother.
So you have listened to him. This thing he said here now is just like what I told you before. Just like what I told you before. He told, you know, I'm not part of anything on ground. I don't even want to go there. I don't even want to talk about it. But this guy have told also here on social media that he have never been in anything. I'm just saying. Now he's telling that if you have not been on ground, you may not understand it. That this is this is that. All of a sudden, Oge is now better than Ngozi Orebeze because of what? Now, Oyilia, number one, Oyilia no one. Now, all our government is so. I'm saying this not because it is important. No, not at all. It's not only Remedios. It's not only Remedios. Another guy is this person that I'm going to play. In fact, this our brother actually, you know, the way he summarized it, you're going to listen to that. I'm going to play Marvelous Arrange's speech. You will hear what he said. Then I will now flip the camera to share with you the post Sana Brown made in 2013. No, 2023. Is it? Yes, 2023. September 2023. Then you will know the kind of people that is fighting for you. All of them, once you cross their personal gain, what they want to gain, you accept